I think because it's the quality of life that we care about. Denver is made up of neighborhoods. When you put them together, that's what makes Denver, and I think that's what makes it unique. Union Station has a very storied history in terms of Denver and Colorado, and so we think of it as a multimodal type of transportation hub, not only for Denver, the Front Range, but also nationally. So whether you want to come down here from Colorado Springs to a restaurant or visit your grandkids, then we do have Crawford Hotel. We have many restaurants, many retail establishments. Well, this is a sports town, and being able to come to that sporting venue, I think it's very important knowing that they have a safe mode of transportation to get back to where they came. It just takes so much time just to drive around. I mean, it's not as safe as it can be. This is much more impactful for people to take the passenger rail. Because it's going to be built on existing rail, it's really going to cut the cost down. What I love about my home state, we're very collaborative. So working with the railroads has been a win-win situation. We can see the vision, but now we can make that a reality for everybody. Regardless of your economic environment or who you are, this is going to be a passenger rail for everybody.